This is the Nothing Phone 2A, and in this video let's look at how we can change the temperature unit used by the Nothing Weather app and its widgets. Nothing OS comes bundled with a well-designed weather application, which also provides for nice looking weather widget for the home screen. The temperature unit used within the weather app is set based on the user's region. For example, at my location the temperature is 70 degrees. The temperature is in Fahrenheit, but I'd rather prefer using Celsius. If you're also in a similar situation, then here's how you can change the temperature on your device as well. To get started, you need to open the weather application. You can open it by tapping on the at a glance widget. Or if you have the weather widget on your home screen, you can tap on that to open the weather application. Otherwise, if you don't have any of the widgets, then you can go to the all apps section of the launcher and launch the weather application from there. Once the weather app is open, you will see the cog wheel or the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Tap on it to open the settings for the weather application. In the settings, you will see that the very first setting item is for the temperature units. You can change the value from Celsius to Fahrenheit or the other way around. It's on Fahrenheit right now and I can change it to Celsius for my use case. Thereafter, if I head backwards, I can see that the temperature unit has already changed to Celsius. This is for New York. And if I check for my location, it is 21 degrees here. Moving on, you can also add new weather widgets on your home screen. To do that, you need to tap and hold onto an empty area of your home screen. Then tap on widgets. Thereafter, if you scroll down and tap on the weather option, you will see a variety of weather widgets. The first one is rounded in shape and you can swipe it up and down to reveal more weather information. There's another 2x2 widget and this is the square widget. And the final one is the weekly view with forecast for the coming days. You can install any of them on your home screen. For example, I want to have this square widget. I just need to tap and hold onto it and then drop it where I want it to be. I can also go to another home screen if I like. Now, if I want to change the city or the location used by this particular weather widget, it is also possible. For example, the widget currently shows weather information for Matra. What I want to do is to make this widget show the weather information for New York. I will just tap and hold onto it and then go to widget settings. Here, I can change the location from current location to a specific location and then choose the location that I want to use. In this case, I'm going with New York. When I head backwards, the widget has already updated with the weather information for New York. The other widget continues to show the 21 degrees Celsius temperature for my current location. So yeah, you can have a combination of widgets showing different data for different locations. And if you tap on a widget set to a custom location, then the weather app will show the detailed weather data for that specific location. Quite useful, isn't it? One more thing, if you head to the settings, you can also change the units used for the wind speed. You can choose between kilometer per hour, meter per hour, or meter per second, depending on what you like to use. That's it for now. I hope you found the video useful. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos.